knew why you were here.
Just give us the information you have and you can go.
Tell us!
Looks like we're going to have to do this the hard way. Mr. Marco, I gave you lemons with which you could make lemonade. But you took my lemons and you squeezed them, turning them into a pulp. And now they are lumpy and hard, and I am mad. Sean. We saw a picture of her on your phone.
Now tell us the bomb codes or she's as good as dead.
5.
Only 5.
5.
Just 5?
Just 5.
Okay, if you say so. I mean,
It's alright.
it's a weird number, but okay. We'll check it out.
Okay, we got what we want. Kill him.
No, you kill. I always kill.
I am older than you and I am senior partner. Kill
But
him.
you knocked him out and captured him.
Well, you were there to witness and you put him in the trunk. Kill
I-
him.
I always kill!
You're better at kill.
Or you could just let me go.
Shut up! No. Okay, we will use this in American game called rock paper scissors. Okay.
Okay, how do we play?
Okay, you go. There's rock.
There's
Okay.
rock,
Paper.
paper,
Scissors. Rock,
Rock,
paper, scissors. Okay.
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 Rock, paper, scissors.
Shoot!
Okay.
Do not shoot! Do not shoot!
Don't shoot.
Okay. Okay. You misunderstand. Okay.
I
No
don't
shoot.
understand the point of the game.
No shoot.
I thought we kill it at
It's
the end
just-
of the game.
Well, eventually we do. Yes, he's going to die. But
Okay, if you lose the game, you shoot him. If I lose the game, I shoot him.
yes. Okay.
It seems fair.
Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Did I win?
Yes, you
Oh,
won.
Okay.
I am always the one to shoot.